Hi guys, this is a brief review for my fourth trimester piano and guitar students who are taking what I call the advanced music theory in piano and guitar. You've gone through linear, vertical, and vertical 2 already, and this is just sort of filling in the gaps on some of the other concepts that are a little more advanced in music theory. I want to let you know exactly what will be on the test, and this will hopefully help you to prepare for it a little bit better. It will parallel very strongly all of the stuff that you've done in theory this trimester. It starts out with a section on the modes, on the church modes. I give you a mode, and then you will simply write that scale on the page. So for instance, I ask you to write a D Dorian scale, a G Phrygian scale, etc., etc. You're welcome to use accidentals or key signatures in that section, and I also want you to write in the whole step, half step pattern, because really that's what you're doing, is memorizing the whole step, half step pattern for your modes. The second part is on secondary dominants. I give you a series of different secondary dominant progressions and the key that I want them to be in, and you can take it from there. So for instance, I might give you a line that has 1 sharp in the key signature, indicating G major, and then I ask for a 5 of 3 to a 3, writing the secondary dominant progression, or a 5 of 6 to a 6, or a 5 of 2 to a 2. Okay, so there are a couple examples of the secondary dominants that you simply write in. It'll demonstrate that you understand how the keys work and how the secondary dominants work in the key. Okay, the next section, I give you a soprano line and a bass line, and I ask you to fill in the inner harmonies of alto and tenor voices using the voice leading that you worked on. Really, I think it's in Theory 8, and I give you the inversions of the triad underneath those notes, just like you've had in your theory and should have been working on in Theory 8. And there are 3 lines of that in 3 different keys. And that's it. That's the advanced theory exam. Make sure that you bring your notebook to the exam. Then I will be able to check that and give you a grade for your notebook, and you can take your notebook as you leave following the exam. I hope this helps you in your preparation. Good luck, and we'll see you at the exam.